Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. Two boxes, 2010 Limited and 2008 Premier, final two boxes. Checklist, and another two cards are thick. Put a decoy in the back once I open the pack. Good luck. Move the base to the back. Alright, first off, a base for the Buccaneers, Cadillac Williams at a $4.99. Eagles, Kevin Cobb, $4.99. Leroy Selman at a $4.99 for the Buccaneers. For the Patriots, Aaron Hernandez at a $4.99. And last base will be out of 50. eBay 1 of 1, 50 out of 50 of Joe Flacco for the Ravens. First hit for the Jets. We have a jersey card of Sean Green. That one's numbered at a 185. At a 185 for the Jets. And then another jersey for the Cowboys of Dez Bryant to go along with that auto we pulled earlier. Dez Bryant. And that one is out of 99. And final card of that box will be for the Texans. Autograph numbered at a 99, 37 out of 99 of Ben Tate. Ben Tate autograph for the Texans. Alright, on to 08 Premier. Box is number 01401. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Love this product. Black pack will be inside. And there's the black pack. One of my favorite football products to bust, 08 Premier. I won't peek at the back. First off, will be numbered at a 35 for the Steelers of Santonio Holmes. 5 out of 35. And let's see which way. Actually, we got two base cards. Numbered at a 39. Actually, sorry, 39 out of 99 for the Chiefs. Larry Johnson. Two base cards in that pack. Let's see which way this goes. This is going to go this way. Good luck sliding on blog. And Cowboys are having themselves a nice break there. Wow, I didn't even see that. All patches. Two color, one color, two color patch. Numbered 1 out of 30. So eBay 1 of 1 of Felix Jones autograph. Nice card. So Lon, PC, there you go. Two color. And then the other two patches are 1 and then a 2 color. Nice card there. And there it is one more time. Then the manufactured patch will be for the Patriots. Wes Welker, numbered 6 out of 15. Wes Welker, let me see which way this goes. It's going to go this way. Should be, I think, the patch, right? And there's the patch. Let's see who it's. Nice looking patches. That's really nice. 3 color, 2 color, 2 color. Numbered at a 25 gold. Asante Samuel, Charles Woodson, Antonio Cromartie. Eagles, Packers, Chargers. Really nice card. Lots of stitching. Actually, it's 4. The Samuel is 4 colors. 4 color, 2 color, 2 color. And I do apologize those on YouTube, but guys on blog get to see it first. Next card will be Jamal Charles, numbered out of 65. Autograph. For the Chiefs, 15 out of 65. Jamal Charles. Ugh, did we hit a redemption? Are you kidding me? Let's see who the redemption's of. Oh my god. It would have been a nice card too. Upper Deck Premier Milestones, numbered to 25 for the Browns. Jim Brown. Jim Brown. Thanks, Upper Deck. And final card will be numbered out of 35. It will be Packers and Patriots foursomes of Greg Jennings, Charles Woodson, Wes Welker, Asante Samuel. Actually, the logos are 2 Packers, Patriots, Eagles. It's going to go to the Packers. They own 50% of that, guys. We'll go to the Packers. And there's the logos on the back to confirm. So that is 08 Premier, a nice quad patch, a nice triple patch. Redemption, go figure. Jim Brown, it could have been numbered out of 25. I'll still send that your way, but I'm not sure what Upper Deck will do with that. So that is it for the 08 Premier, and limited GSN Cards is out.